Welcome back to learning practical video editing and storytelling step by step. In today's tutorial, we will be editing an amazing travel and vacation video for a client with a request to transform it into an engaging and upbeat style 2 minutes vertical 9:16 video. We will be making some amazing and smooth transitions while playing with the videos recorded with 3 different cameras and 500 images. The footage was recorded with an Insta360 camera, an iPhone 13 Pro Max and drone. Let's start the editing. Step 1. As always, we will reframe the Insta360 footage to ensure it fits the desired composition. Then we will export it in a 9:16 vertical format as client requested. Step 2. In this step, we will organize the drone footage and remove any text overlay from the video. As shown, we will eliminate the text by deleting the associated SRT files. This will clean up the footage and prepare it for the next stage of editing. Step 3. In this step, we will apply color grading to the drone footage using a LUT. Since there are multiple clips in the timeline, applying the LUT to each one individually could be time consuming. To streamline this, we will use an adjustment layer, drag it across the timeline and export the LUT to the entire sequence. This significantly speeds up the color grading process, and then we will export the drone footage in one single video. One key rule to remember: the shorter the footage, the easier it is to manage. We will apply this principle in the upcoming steps. Step 4. First, we will import the reframed Insta360 clips individually to ensure everything stays organized and we avoid any mix-ups. Step 5. As usual, we will trim the Insta360 footage to 2 minutes, removing any unnecessary or unengaging content. Don't overthink it. Simply use the trim and delete tools to keep only what's essential. This is the lengthy step, so enjoy with some popcorns. Step 6. Now that we have trimmed the Insta360 footage to around 2 minutes, we will import the iPhone footage and apply the same trimming process. Step 7. Next, we will import the drone footage that we previously color graded and trim it down to 3 minutes, and then we will import the entire video as it is into Capcut. Step 8. We will adjust the speed in Capcut for engagement and clip length. This technique allows you to shorten your clips to the desired length by manipulating the speed. Simply adjust the speed curves until you achieve the perfect timing. It's all up to you. Experiment with the curves until you get the right duration. Step 9. Now, let's work with the 500 images. We will place each photo in the corresponding scene where it was originally taken. Since we have so many images, it's impossible to fit them all into a short 2 minutes video, so we will select our favorite ones. For each photo, we'll set the display time to half a second. This step requires focus, so take your time, and if you are enjoying the process, don't forget to hit that like button. Step 10. Now let's make the final adjustments. We'll double check the clip lengths and shorten them where needed, ensuring everything flows smoothly. We can also adjust the clips and create seamless transitions to enhance the video. Once we are happy with the timing, we will add music and export the final version. Remember, the shorter the length, easier to manipulate and create amazing transitions by selecting the right clips. And here we go. We have edited an amazing 2 minutes vertical video for a client. And if you have learned something from this video, literally anything, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like and subscribe button. It means the world to me, and see you in the next video. Peace.